Personal health.
You look very pale.
I feel rather dizzy, and I have a headache.
Maybe you're catching a cold.
You're probably right.
You went to the doctor today, didn't you?
Yes. I got once a year for a checkup.
What did he say?
He said my health was good.
Have you put on weight recently?
Probably have.
Maybe you don't get enough exercise.
I really don't, but I'm careful about eating.
You certainly look very healthy to me.
I've been feeling very well lately.
Haven't you gotten a little heavier?
Yes, I think I have.
You certainly look happy about something.
I've lost some weight.
You look much better.
I feel better too.
Common health problems.
I have a terrible headache today.
Have you taken any aspirin for it?
Yes. I'll get over it soon.
Lying down for a few minutes might help it too.
I've got a cold in my head.
It's probably this terrible weather.
It's giving everyone a cold.
Hope I don't catch one.
What are you taking for your cold?
Just the usual things: water and fruit juice.
You'll be over it soon then.
I really hope you're right.
You look tired. Are you ill?
I think I've caught a cold.
How can tell?
My throat is sore.
You don't look very well.
I don't feel very well either.
Why don't you rest for a few minutes?
I think I will.
At the doctor's office.
I think I've got a fever.
Do you feel very hot?
Yes, and I've been sweating a lot.
You'd better go to a doctor.
I feel quite sick, doctor.
Can you tell me about it?
I've got a headache and stomach cramps.
I'd better take your temperature.
Is the cut on my hand dangerous?
No, but there's a little infection.
What can you do about an infection?
I'll use an antibiotic, and it'll be gone by tomorrow. Have you ever had pneumonia?
Yes. I had it about 2 years ago.
Have you ever had measles?
No, I've never had measles. Do I have anything serious, doctor?
Only a slight cold.
Will it last very?
No, it'll probably go away in a day or two.
Please like and subscribe.